Dear students, we have started the fourth chapter of Flamingo, and the name of the chapter is The Rat Trap. We have read at least half of the story, but there are some questions that we have not discussed so far. These questions must be discussed today because if we delay, you would forget the story. So it is better to start with the discussion of the questions today. And you can see, think as you read questions here. There are 6 questions. Although I asked you to find out the answers of these questions day before yesterday, I asked you to find out the answers, and some of you might have found, but I also want to give you the answer of these questions today. The first question is, from where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap? पेडलर को कहाँ से मिला ये आइडिया that the world is a rat trap? Although the peddler was an illiterate person, still he got this philosophical idea. How did he get this idea? So let me tell you, the rat trap peddler was always lost in his own meditation. He was always lost in his own thoughts. And you know that all the beautiful ideas, all the inspiring ideas are found by the people, or people get these ideas while they are introspecting. So the peddler was basically thinking about his rat traps when he got this idea. He was thinking about his rat traps, and he was thinking how the rats are caught in the rat trap. You know that we use a bait, B-A-I-T. Bait means a thing that is used to allure someone, allure something. किसी को लालच देने के लिए जो चीज़ यूज की जाती है, that is called bait. So rats are allured by baits, with the help of baits. So he was thinking about it, and at the same time he got this idea that the world is also offering us many baits. All the things of enjoyment in the world are baits: riches, joys, shelter, food, clothing, and all materialistic things. All these things are baits for people here. People, like rats, try to catch them, and as soon as they touch it, they are caught in difficulties. Why? Because they can be in danger while getting them. They can go on wrong path, they can do crime, they can be full of corruption. You know that all the crimes are being done by people, being committed by people because of their desires to get something. They have these desires, and these desires tempt them to do illegal things, and they are caught in the web of the world. वैसे इसके और फिलोसॉफिकल इंटरप्रिटेशंस निकाल सकते हैं हम. ये जो वर्ल्ड है, इस वर्ल्ड के अंदर इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो इन्जॉयमेंट की हैं कि वो हमें यहाँ पर जकड़े हुए हैं. नो वन इज़ विलिंग टू डाई. कोई भी यहाँ से जाना नहीं चाहता इस दुनिया से. दिस माया नगरी, इस माया नगरी से कोई नहीं जाना चाहता. दिस इज़ अ ट्रैप. This is a trap because we have so many things of enjoyment here. You can interpret it like this also. Second question is, why was he amused by his idea, by this idea? He was amused, he was happy, he was full of excitement when he got this idea. उसको ये आइडिया जब आया तो वो इतना खुश क्यों हो गया? Really it was a matter of happiness for the peddler. It was a matter of excitement for the peddler because he had come to know the reality of the life, the reality which other people didn't know. According to him, the people around him were foolish. They were being caught in the world's rat trap, and they didn't know why they were being caught, because they were having some desires. And if a person, the person who is cruel towards you, is in difficulty, you feel happy. The people around him were not kind towards him, and when they were getting trapped, it gave him unwanted joy, it gave him unexpected joy, so he was amused. And one more thing, those people were being caught in the rat traps and they didn't know about it, but the rat trap peddler knew it, so he thought that he was above them, he was out of this trap, because he had the knowledge of the world being rat trap, so that's why he was amused. Third question is, did the peddler respect the kind of hospitality? Hospitality means mehman nawazi that he received from the crofter. Crofter means poor farmer. So you know that the rat trap peddler asked for the shelter from the poor farmer. He asked for the shelter from the man of the grey cottage. Did he expect that he would give him shelter? क्या उसने expect किया था? No. Why didn't he expect? Generally, people didn't help him. If he asked someone to help him, he would not help him. Even he would be rebuked, he would be chased away. People were cruel towards him. So when people were cruel towards him always, how could he expect that he would be helped by that person? But he was an optimistic guy, he kept asking for help, and that's why he asked from that old crofter. So question ये था कि उसने expect किया था? No, he didn't expect. And why did he not expect? Because generally people didn't help him, he didn't, so he didn't expect. Fourth question, why was the crofter so talkative and friendly with the peddler? The crofter was a lonely person. He had no companion. He had no wife, no child, no other fellow being. And when a person was living alone, he is always in search of a person who can give him company, no matter that person is beggar or a thief. So he was talkative and friendly because he wanted someone's company, and he had got it in the form of the beggar. Fifth question is, why did he show the 30 kroner to the peddler? When the उसने उसको अपने 30 kroner की अर्निंग क्यों दिखाई? When he told the peddler that he had earned 30 kroner by just selling the milk of his cow, the peddler might have shown his surprise. उसने जरूर हैरानी जताई होगी पेडलर ने कि भाई इतने पैसे कमा भी लिए होंगे, कहीं ये फेक तो नहीं रहा है. So he wanted to prove it that he was not telling lie. He wanted to show him that he had really earned that much money. So he showed him that money. Sixth question, did the peddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? क्रॉफ्टर ने जो उसमें विश्वास जताया, उसने अपना सीक्रेट जो उसको बताया, क्या पेडलर ने उस सीक्रेट, उस रिस्पेक्ट को का सम्मान किया? डिड ही शो हिम रिस्पेक्ट? नो. The peddler, although had a philosophical idea about the world being a rat trap, still he forgot to remember his own philosophy at the time when he was full of greed. And it was because he was living a life of deprivation, a life of, we can say, without any kind of home, without any kind of facility. वो ऐसी ज़िंदगी जी रहा था that जिसमें कुछ था नहीं उसके पास. So if he got a chance, he didn't want to live it. So He was full of greed and he forgot everything about the philosophy that he already had in his mind, that the world was a rat trap. So he didn't think about the hospitality that was given to him by the crofter. वो भूल गया कि उसने उसको शेल्टर दी, उसको खाना दिया, उसके साथ अपना टबाकू शेयर किया और उसको उसके साथ कार्ड्स भी प्ले किए, तो वो उसको अपने सीक्रेट्स शेयर किए, वो सारी चीज़ें भूल गया। एंड इट वॉज बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रीड। और इसीलिए बोला जाता है जब इंसान ग्रीड में आ जाता है, व्हेन अ पर्सन इज़ एंग्री, तो वो उसके ऊपर, उसकी आंखों पे, उसके दिमाग पे एक पर्दा सा छा जाता है एंड ही कैन डू एनीथिंग। तो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ सैड कि हमें अपने आप को कंट्रोल में रखना चाहिए। और यही चीज़ें होती हैं, ग्रीड से अपने आप को बचाना चाहिए, एंगर से अपने आप को बचाना चाहिए, एंड अटैचमेंट से बचाना चाहिए। ओनली देन वी कैन बी रीजनेबल। सो दैट पर्सन वॉज, ऑल्दो ही वॉज रीजनेबल। और ये भी बोला गया है, इफ़ यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी चांस टू डू रॉन्ग थिंग, it does not mean that you are an honest person. You can be honest only when you are being given chance to do illegal activities and you skip it. So he got the chance to steal and he stole the money. तो उसने उस रिस्पेक्ट को जो उसको मिली थी उसको उसने रिस्पेक्ट नहीं दी. So we have discussed these 6 questions and now we are going to read the story, the remaining story. Okay, let us read the story.